Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Power BI matrix to behave the way you want it to, whether you're building out a complex report or analyzing a simple data set. This tutorial will give you the clear step-by-step guidance you need. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using the Power BI matrix to organize and display your data, tailored perfectly to your needs. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Power BI. If you're new to Power BI, it's Microsoft's powerful data visualization tool, and the interface can look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the right clicks and menu selections. Once Power BI launches and you're staring at your blank canvas, take a moment to get oriented. The panels on the right are your main workspace for visuals, and that's the key area for this tutorial. Now our focus today is on the matrix visualization. Over on the visualizations panel, you'll see a bunch of icons, charts, tables, and of course the matrix. It looks a little bit like a spreadsheet, and it's incredibly useful for displaying categorical data across multiple dimensions, almost like a dynamic pivot table in Excel, if you're familiar with those. Go ahead and click on the matrix icon. Instantly, a blank matrix appears on your report canvas, ready for you to populate it with data, here, where the magic happens, adding your data parameters. In Power BI, parameters can be fields from your dataset. Sales regions, product categories, time periods, anything you want to slice and dice your data by. Start dragging these parameters from the fields pane into the matrix's designated spots, rows, columns, and values. Now you'll notice the matrix requires at least 3 parameters to really come alive. Something for the rows, something for the columns, and something to summarize in the values section. Think of it like organizing a bookshelf. Rows might represent genres, columns could be years, and values would be the number of books per genre per year. Take your time as you add these parameters. Sometimes Power BI doesn't quite put things where you expect, so feel free to experiment with dragging and dropping each field into a different section to see how the matrix changes. For example, if you switch a parameter from rows to columns, you'll suddenly get a totally different perspective on your data. This is one of the best features of the matrix. It's flexible. If you're not sure which parameter should go where, trust your instincts and don't be afraid to explore. You're not breaking anything. You're simply discovering the best view for your analysis. If you're working with a lot of data, this part might take a few moments, especially if your dataset is large or your computer is thinking hard about some complicated calculations. Don't worry if things seem slow, just allow Power BI to work through it, and soon you'll see your matrix come together with your parameters neatly organized, making trends pop out that may have been hidden before. And really, that's all there is to it. By mixing and matching where you place each parameter in the matrix, you can customize the grid to highlight the slices of data that matter most to you. Whether you're comparing sales by region and month, counting customers across various categories, or just exploring your numbers for insights, the matrix gives you the flexibility you need. So that's how you get your Power BI matrix to do exactly what you want, with just a handful of intuitive steps and a little experimentation. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more confident tackling your next Power BI report. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific challenge you'd like help with next, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on practical, easy-to-follow data tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.